Hello everybody, it's Oddjob Bill here. Welcome to my journey of learning. Just to let you know, the last two videos you've been watching and the next one that you'll be seeing in a moment they're about 2 months behind. So I just thought I'd be fully transparent to let people know that. You could probably tell by the weather anyway, but I thought I'd let you know. I appreciate that you all come and watch these videos, and thank you to my 59 subscribers so far. That's much appreciated. Well, I hope you like the videos, and I hope you carry on watching this one, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye. Right, that's nice and sturdy. I'll put some more posts along here, and I've just got to finish off the other divider in the middle here so that I can put a top on. And as we go to the end here, you can see that I've done some cladding. Sort of that's come up quite well, and I've had to box in a little bit because my puppy has decided to get underneath, so I'm having to stop her doing that at the moment. So as you can see, all the pipes are there, so I need to box that in to stop her doing that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig down all the way down the edge here so I can put the gravel boards in. Right, this is what I dug out yesterday. All down here. So I'll get some concrete. Here you can just see that I'm just levelling out a bit of Lee mix, just so that I can bed the gravel board down. Well, basically I'm going to be doing all that all the way along there, so I won't bore you with the me doing the whole lot. I'll put the rest of them in and I'll show you. I probably won't finish it today, so this there's hardly any gap along the back. There's a slight lean which I'm going to put up with, being it's just a step, and I'm going to bring the dirt up to here later anyway. The actual height of the step, if I could remember, oh there it is right beside me. I wanted 5.5 inches, and I've got 5, so I'm quite happy with that. So as long as it's level running all the way through, I'm happy. And then what I'll do is I'll put the cladding down to that. So I'll just mix up a few more and then carry on. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to haunch up a little bit down there so it holds this up right for a little bit, and then as I say, I'm going to bring the soil up to about here because the garden is unlevel all the way through. I'd like to sort of re-soil it, re-topsoil it, and then re-turf it at another time, but that'll be when I can afford to. So right, let's get on. Let's get on. Right, so as you can see, I've done all the way down here. Cut that last piece there this morning. What I'm going to do now is I've got to add a piece of timber. I don't know if you can see the mark there. I've made another mark somewhere here. I've got to put a post in because the shiplap that I've got, feather edge, sorry, this feather edge that I've got, I can only get 3.6, so I'm going to try and find the best edges, because as you can see some of them are not that straight, so I've got to see what I can do with those. So at the moment I'm just going to put in a couple of extra posts for them to fix to, and then I'll take it from there. That is dead in the centre. Well happy with that. Right, I'm going to use one of these 32mm spacers, so I'm going to line up the top of the feather edge so that it will give me a 32mm overlap as I go up, so I'll be able to make a line across each one of them and then be able to put the feather edge to the pencil mark. Right, my little helper is my daughter. So say hello, Sophie.
Hi.
She's going to help me hold up the feather edge because I can't do it on my own. So she's going to go to the right hand side. I'm just going to show her what she's got to do, and then we'll carry on from there. I just have to centre that. Right. Yeah? Don't worry, no panic. I'm going to do the same my end. So we'll lift that together.
The right bottom.
Yeah, is it on your line?
Does it have to be right on it?
On the so you can see it, slightly see it. Yeah?
I think so, yeah.
Put this one in here and I'll have a look. Oh, you've got not that heavy. Right, let's bring it down. What we do, we put the level on. Now we're level. So we just need you to, we'll do that to the next one and then carry on.
Okay.
So I'll just put this one in. Right, thanks to Sophie for helping me. She helped me line up. You can't do it on your own. Sometimes you do need a little bit of help. And she learned something and I learned something. So behind the camera at the moment, she's got her hand up and going like that and taking the mickey out of me, but calling me a loser. And she's just kicked the camera that you've just seen. So right, thank you Sophie, and I'll get you to help me again. Good job. Well, I've got to say, this Evolution Rage 5 has been excellent for me. Can't fault it. It took a little for me to set it up. I haven't done anything special to it at the moment. I probably will do when I can get the time to do things. But as everybody knows, you start one job and loads of others appear. And I'm one of them ones where I just go rushing in. So, yeah, this has been brilliant for me. So, let's see, Evolution Rage 5. I understand. Today I'm going to put a line sort of down here, if you can see. That's that 30mm spacer I was using for the shiplap. So I've got this sort of pull line edging that I had from previous pull. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a 30, whatever, well 30, 32mm all the way down there, and I'm going to overlap this onto the edge there, let it flap over, and then as you can see that's not in line. When I empty the pool next year I'm going to bring it back over so it's right in line. Right, over this side, which is on the right hand side of the pool, the edging wasn't that great. I've tried to saw it but made it worse. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put a straight line down and I'm going to run the oscillating tool down the side of it, just so it gives me a nice flat end to put the feather edge upright against. So that's what I'm going to do next. Right, hopefully that has done that. Now as you can see, that is a lot better than what it was. Right, as you can see from there, I've done that. Cut that around. Cut around the pipes down there. And that one there. Right, so I've gone and got some wood. Put noggins along here to fix these 4.8s too. These are 6x1s. So I put noggins down there and some noggins down there. But before I do that, I went out and got this insulation with Screwfix. It's pipe insulation 22. Could have got bigger. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tuck it. I'm going to screw it under there. Right, what I'm addressing now is I'm doing everything to the squareness of the pool frame. The pool itself is slightly out of square, so next year when I let it down, when I take all the water out, I'm going to move the pool around, because now the way I've done this I can move it, so I can just push it that way slightly. So I need to make sure that the wood that I put in measures all the same all the way around the frame. So no matter what way I put the pool itself in, it'll be square with the frame. So at the moment I'm just going to measure this end and up the end here, which I'll just pan you around and you'll see. I just need to cut that round. Let's have a new one of these, because this one keeps on playing me up. Oh, absolutely spot on. Absolutely spot on. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to fix that along there and then go and do the far end. So I won't bore you with any more of this. Just got to do this. Well, at the other side I've got to cut a piece out like I was going to do here. But a bit of a mistake there, but we're not doing household furniture. So yeah, that'll work. And yep, I'll carry on with the other side. Absolutely over the moon the way this has turned out. It looks really smart, even if I say so myself. The steps you can see at the back are an old set of swimming pool steps that I've cut down and fixed to where they get up and down. I'm going to put a concrete base at the bottom and put a gate there as well. So that'll be me finished. But if you like these videos and you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so when I upload more videos you'll be notified. Thank you very much. Bye bye.